Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this sambar. Sambar is a usually very popular South Indian dish. You can make it at your home in a very simple way. So guys, please follow my recipe, and if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my videos if you like it guys. And guys, please see my description. I have given the link for my Facebook page. You can watch my videos on Facebook also by pressing the watch video button, and I have given some links for buying some products from Amazon, so you can see that link also. And guys, to assist my channel directly, so please download my app Damini's Kitchen also. And please watch
for making this
like
second style of sambar, I'm using so many vegetables in this. Here I have taken some beans, some peas, some fresh coriander leaves, some garlic, some ginger and garlic, and some green chilies. And here I have taken some pumpkin, some carrots, some onions, some tomatoes. See, there's the vegetables that I have chopped. You can chop them roughly.
So this is arhar ki dal or tur dal. So I have soaked them for 3 hours. And this is tamarind. I have soaked them for the same time 3 hours.
So before starting this video, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my videos if you like it guys. If you can follow me on Twitter also, you can like my Facebook page also guys. Let's start making it and watch the video till end.
Simultaneously rice with this sambar. You can cook dosa. Now this is cooked and keep it aside. So guys, now after cooking the sambar, I need to prepare the tadka for this sambar. So firstly, I am adding 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in this. You can use any of the cooking oil, as I always say. Now in this tadka, in sambar usually the tadka of rai is made. So I have taken this rai, or you can call it the mustard seeds. Now add this rai in this. And you need to add some red chilies also, you can see. So I am adding some red chilies or dried red chilies I am adding here. And when the rye get cooked, I need to add a pinch of hing into this tadka. And now here I have cleaned this all tamarind powder. So I have removed all the pulp from it, and this tadka is get prepared. I am switching off the flame. Now you can see all the vegetables get cooked into it. Now you need to add some coriander powder. Half tablespoon of coriander powder I am adding. Half tablespoon of cumin powder. And 1 tablespoon of sambar masala I am adding in this. Now mix it well. And now I am adding the tadka which I had prepared into this. And at the last, I need to add this tamarind into it. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now a great color of the sambar is appeared in this. You need to mix all the ingredients and serve it with this rice, or you can serve it with dosa also. Now guys, I am serving it in this bowl. You can see that it looks very delicious, and it is very simple and easy recipe guys. So if you like this recipe, please hit my channel, subscribe and like my video if you like it. You can follow me on Twitter also, you can like my Facebook page also guys. Thanks for watching it.